Hi, I'm Dr. Susan Brown, and I can help you. I know you're concerned about your bone health, and I suspect you're probably frightened. Over the last 35 years, I have helped thousands of individuals develop natural programs for lifelong bone strength. This was based on one-to-one consultations with the individuals, and many times I would see a client several times. While this was a very successful approach, I realized that I can only reach a certain number of people this way. My desire is to have everyone in the world who has any interest in taking charge of their bone health to have access to everything I know. So we've developed 3 new programs for you. One program is what we call the Foundation, and this is the Better Bones Solution Foundation. This is a 4-day online retreat effort that is an amazing opportunity to learn everything I know about each of the 6 steps of the Better Bones, Better Body program. It comes with a manual that details every slide. It comes with a video so you can go back and listen to every lecture, and we have many breakout groups and support groups in this 4-day session. So that's the Foundation program. And then there's a deeper approach for the person who wants a little bit of individualized contact with me. And this is the Advanced Support, where you would do the Foundation retreat, but you would also do monthly online question and answer periods with me. I can answer your questions, and you can hear the questions that other people in the community ask. That's the Advanced Support. Lastly, we have an offering for people who want a little more support from me, and this is the Comprehensive Support Program. You will do the retreat, you'll have the Foundation retreat, that 4-day event. You'll have the question and answer periods so we can chat every month. In a group, we can review your questions, and then you would be offered a one-on-one consultation with me. And this comprehensive support is really for those people who feel they have a more deeper problem and they want me to help them with the workup of their case. It's my pleasure to be able to help each and every one of you. We've worked hard to develop options that could meet the needs of everyone, and I invite you to look at these program offerings, decide which is best for you, and to take charge of your bone health. And remember, we're here to help you every step of the way.